Hello guys, today I will tell you about corona cases detail in the world. Warning, stay home, stay safe. Total cases in the world 4,23,000 and death toll 18,000. Country-wise detail: China 81,000 and death toll 3,000. Italy 69,000, death toll 7,000. USA 54,000, death toll 800. Spain 42,000, death toll 3,000. Iran 24,000 and death toll 2,000. France 22,000 cases, 1,100 death toll. UK 8,000 cases and 422 death toll. Australia total cases 5,000, death toll 30. Pakistan total cases 1,000 and death toll 7. And India 562, death toll 10%. So guys, warning, please stay at home and stay safe.